guys. Today we are going to be finishing up the unit and doing a little bit of writing. So you already did a little bit of reading about it on Tuesday, and today we're just going to be doing some writing of your own. So if you look in your book, we're in the student book on page 79. Page 79. It should look like this. So you read this paragraph on Tuesday. And now we're going to look down here at number 2 where you're going to write yourself. All right. So number 2, it says, write a paragraph about yourself or someone you know who is a good or weak time manager. So over here on Tuesday, you made these 2 charts where someone who is good at time management and someone who is weak at time management or not very good at time management. So I want you to think of someone in your life, it can be yourself or it can be someone else you know, who fits one of these. So they can either be good at it or they can be bad at it. It doesn't matter which one. Just choose one and choose a person that you know that fits that description. Then, say what kind of time manager you are writing about in the topic sentence. So we talked a little bit about the structure of paragraphs, and we know that the topic sentence is the first sentence. So in the example paragraph, it says, Lucinda is not a very good time manager. So she is a weak time manager. So she is not a good time manager. So that is in the very first sentence, the topic sentence of the paragraph, so that you know that everything else in the paragraph is going to be connected to that topic sentence. Okay. Include examples to support your topic sentence and a signal before your conclusion. So, make sure you're including details. You're looking at these characteristics. You're looking at these characteristics or actions that people do when they are poor or strong time managers, either one, if they're good at it or bad at it. Include examples to support your topic sentence. And then it says, and a signal before your conclusion. A signal before your conclusion. So if you look up here at this red box, it says use one of the following phrases before your conclusion. So the conclusion is the last sentence of the paragraph, and it ends your paragraph and wraps it all up. So the 3 phrases that they give you are in conclusion, to conclude, or in summary. So in conclusion, telling you it's the end, to conclude, or in summary, all mean the same thing. They just mean the sentence or the paragraph is ending, and it's just giving you a signal that says, as you're reading, you see that and you say, oh, this is the end of the paragraph. So if we look in the example paragraph, the last sentence, it says, in summary, Lucinda is a weak time manager because she procrastinates. So, in summary comes at the very beginning of the sentence. All of these are going to come at the beginning. You're never going to put this at the end. It's always going to be at the beginning of the last sentence. And it connects to that topic sentence. Lucinda is a weak time manager. Just like it said in the beginning, she is not a good time manager. And then it gives you one more reason, because she procrastinates. So, for homework, I want you to practice this. So you've already done all the planning. You already have all of your supporting details here. And you're just going to write a paragraph about one person. It can be yourself or someone else who is either a good time manager or a weak time manager. Make sure you have a topic sentence, give some details, and then have that concluding sentence. Okay? So, that is what I want you to do for homework. As you are writing, if you look down here at the bottom, it gives you a checklist to check your writing before you're finished. Number 1 says, my topic sentence says what kind of time manager I'm writing about. So either strong or weak or good or not good. Either one is okay. Then I include examples to support my topic sentence. So you're including those details. You're including those examples to explain what you're talking about. And then last, I used a signal before my conclusion. So you used one of these before that last sentence. So I want you to write your paragraph and then check your own work before you send it to me. So before you give it to me, check that all of these say yes. So if you're looking at these and one of them says no, go back to your paragraph and add something or take something away and make it so that all of these say yes. Now, I want you to send these to me. I want to be able to look over them, and if I have any questions or any comments, I will send them back to you. But I want us to be able to take a better, get a better idea of how we are growing. So please send me your paragraphs when you are finished so that I can keep track of them and I can see how we are improving our English, and you can see how we are improving as we go. So this will be the last week in this chapter. So this will be the last week of our unit. So you're just going to write a paragraph, use this one as an example, check your paragraph, and then send it to me so I can see it and I can look over it and see how we're doing. If you have any questions, just let me know. And I will see you all hopefully soon. Hopefully you're enjoying the good weather, and hopefully this has been helpful to you. Next week I will send you a message to talk about our next unit. It's not going to be in the book, it's going to be outside the book, and I want us to be able to talk about our opinions a little more and all of that. So have a good day, guys, and I will hopefully see you soon.